Hello and welcome to Drawing with Mr. Jason. That's me! Today we are going to draw a popular TV character. So we're going to draw Spongebob SquarePants. And we're going to use our usual art supplies. You're going to need a pencil, an eraser, coloring tools if you're going to color this later. I'm going to use the trusty dusty Sharpie right here, so you can see it a little bit easier. Today we're going to draw with our paper portrait, so it's tall. See how it's tall and not quite as wide. So it's like if you were going to write a letter or something like that to somebody. We're going to go ahead and get started. In the middle of the page, we're going to draw a very slightly wavy line diagonal going up this way. So very slightly wavy. And we're going to draw another one just like it. We're going to come down and to the right a little bit. Right is on this side of the paper. And another slightly wavy line going up there. We are going to connect those two with a slightly wavy line as well. Now, since we're going to have something coming out of the side here, SpongeBob's arm, we're not going to draw the side of the sponge just yet. What we're going to do is we're going to draw a curved line that looks like a squished C, the letter C. And we're going to go ahead and do that right now. See how it looks sort of like the letter C, but it's pinched down a little bit. And since I don't know exactly at this moment what the arm's going to look like, we're going to go ahead and draw the arm and then close that sleeve. So we're going to draw two lines for the arm and then close up the sleeve because I know where it is now. So I do close it like that way and then draw the part of the sleeve where his arm is coming out. For the hand, I'm going to draw a curved line and then some round fingers. 1, 2, 3. And then where this line ends, curved line, and then his thumb. And connect those. And SpongeBob has some lines on his hand just like I have them. See how I have a line for my thumb right there? We're going to draw one for SpongeBob too. Okay, so now we know where SpongeBob's arm is. We're going to draw the side of his sponge. We're going to draw a wiggly line, not too curvy. Come up to the sleeve and then stop. Pick up on the other side. And you notice how this line comes down a little bit lower than this line? That's intentional. I want it to do that. And then I'm going to connect the two with a slightly wiggly line. We're going to go diagonal from this arm over to here. And we're going to draw that shape. That's the sleeve on the other side. He's very, very happy. We're going to draw his arm and then a hand on the other side. Curved line, thumb, just like this one. Curved line, just like this one. And then 3 fingers. 1, 2, 3. And connect. And just like this hand has a crease for my thumb, we'll do the same for SpongeBob. Now, SpongeBob is also known for wearing a particular type of pants. I think they're really round and fluffy. That's right, isn't it? No, he has square pants. So let's draw a straight line across. And then a very slight angle up. And then coming back over to the left side, see how my hand makes an L for left? The left side, straight line for the pants there, straight line for the pants there, and connect them. I'm not sure I made these quite long enough. Let's make it a little bit longer. And then connect them. Come down, straight line, and connect those. Now he wears a tie. We're going to draw a collar right here. This is a diagonal line. Come up. Other side, diagonal line. Come up. And then a point for the tie. Diagonal line, and make a point. Straight line all the way across, just picking up your pen for a moment so we don't draw through his tie. And then a diagonal line over here. We're going to draw a rectangle. A rectangle, a rectangle, a rectangle, and one more rectangle over here. That's his belt. Pause for a little bit. Okay, we're going to draw two straight lines and a slightly curved line there. Diagonal line, curved line connecting. We're going to start on his right leg. We're going to go down and curve, down and curve. Same thing over here. Down, down, curve, and curve. Bottom of this foot, or this, sorry, the bottom of this leg, do a curved line. Same thing over here, curved line. Come back over to the right leg, curve, curve. Left leg, curve, curve. I'm going to come up to the underside of this leg right here and draw a shoe. Over here, curve line, come back around. And since they're shiny, an oval right there. Curve line, and some stripes on his socks. Now we're going to draw his face. First thing that we need to do to draw the face is we need to establish the center. And the part of his face that is most central, that we're going to base everything else around, is his nose. So we're going to find about where the middle of the face is and draw a nose like that. Diagonal line. And come up into a smile. Now, Spongebob has two square-looking teeth. So we're going to draw 1, 2, and then since we have the teeth, we can draw the rest of his mouth. We'll draw kind of a straight line, and then come around into that smile. Draw a curved line for the tongue, and another curved line that leads into it. Underneath that, just a little bit, We're going to draw his lower lip. It's just a line. Now, SpongeBob has this really big cheek when he's smiling. So we're going to start under this line right here and just draw a curved line that comes over and around. And then we're going to find this side of that circle, or this curved line, and draw an oval. Fairly big. At the top of the oval, 1, 2, 3 eyelashes. We're going to draw the other eye, find this side of the oval, and we're going to come down, hide a little bit behind the nose, draw the other oval, 1, 2, 3 eyelashes. In the middle of his eyes, an oval, a dot, a dot. To show that he is a sponge, then we draw some circles of different sizes. And then Miss Veramontes, if you want to pause for them to draw some circles all over their SpongeBob, if you find that helpful for them, that would be great. That's our SpongeBob. But we need to draw him under the sea. So we're going to draw a curved line. And we've drawn sharks and dolphins and sea turtles. So we're going to add some of the things that we've drawn before, like seaweed. We'll draw an organic line. An organic line is just a squiggly line that you decide where it goes. It just curves and looks like it might belong under the sea, and you can add dots to it or little stripes. It's your seaweed or coral. And draw some seaweed on this side, just a wavy line. And then off in the distance, we can draw a curved line, a circle, a door, another circle, looks like a chimney, and then we're going to draw diagonal lines across this, and then diagonal lines going the other way. And this is the pineapple he lives in under the sea. Add some bubbles. And that is our SpongeBob SquarePants drawing. I hope you had fun. And if you want to give your teachers a suggestion what you would like to draw next week, I would love to hear from you. Have a wonderful, fun Friday.